Now let's understand another important part of this demand analysis. Explain the moments and shifts of demand curve. Moments and shifts. Let's understand what are the moments. The demand curve shifts in two types. One is contraction, another one is expansion. When the pressure changes, there will be movements. But shift is quite different from the movements. So here in movements we think that price is active and the other factors which are called the determinants of demand. So you know Q, QD, quantity demanded, is the function of price and price of related good, income, taste, preference, advertisement, so on. What does this equation speak? It speaks that the quantity demanded depends on various factors, and these factors are called determinants of demand. The price of the concerned commodity, the price of the related goods, that is substitutes, income of the consumer, taste, preference, advertisement, etc. So in law of demand, what we study, we study quantity demand is the function of price. Forgetting all this. That is why we assume ceteris paribus. Other things remaining constant, when the price changes, there will be changes in demand. Higher the price, lower the demand. And lower the price, higher will be the demand. That's the law of demand. That's why QD is equal to the function of price. So price is the independent variable. And in moments, we say that price is active and other factors are kept constant or passive. See, this is the demand curve, and this demand curve slopes downwards because of inverse relationship between price and demand. Suppose if the price is OP and the quantity demanded is OQ, if the price rises to PH, the demand decreases. So when price rises, demand decreases to Q1. If the price falls, the demand increases to Q2, that is PL. See the changes. So when the price rises, the demand falls to Q1 from Q. When the price falls to PL, the quantity demanded increases. When the price falls, the quantity demanded increases, and this is called expansion. Expansion. So it is shown downward looking through downward looking arrow mark. And if the price rises, the quantity demanded contracts, and that is called contraction. Contraction shown upward, shown through upward looking arrow mark. So what you have to say, Reduction in demand due to rise in price is called contraction. Increase in demand due to fall in price is called expansion. So the moment of the demand curve constitutes two important moments, that is contraction and expansion. Coming to this, here demand curve, DD is the demand curve. Please keep it in mind that the shift or due to the changes in other factors keeping price as passive. So price is passive, we are not thinking of changes in price. We are thinking of changes in other factors other than price. Shifts take place because of the changes in other factors other than price. So this is due to changes in price. This is due to the changes in other factors keeping price as constant. So this is the demand curve. Suppose, let us say there is change in income. If there is increase in income, you just say this is the quantity demanded at this price. Suppose if the not at this price, so suppose if there is increase in income of a consumer, the demand curve shifts rightward. This is D1. So demand curve shifts rightward and the demand increases to Q1. That does mean if the income of the consumer rises, there will be increase in demand for the commodity. Thus, there is direct relationship between demand and income. Both of them move in same direction. Suppose if the income of the consumer decreases to D2, the demand falls to Q2. That means when the income decreases, demand also decreases. When the income increases, demand also increases. So these are called the shifts. Shifts are in two types. One is it shifts rightwards when there is increase in demand, and when it shifts leftward, there is decrease in demand. So these are the diagrams that you have to write while explaining the moments and shifts of demand curve. It may be asked for 4 marks or even 6 marks. When it is asked for 6 marks, you have to answer these questions with these diagrams and explanations.